Hi everyone, thanks for watching my unboxing videos. I have another unboxing video for you. Another Amazon purchase. Let's open this box and see what we have in here. Let's unbox this. Here we go. It's an interesting tall box from Amazon. Let's see what we have in here. Okay. I know what this is because I see a cup and some napkins. And I think you guys are going to like these too. Just because they're really cool for parties. So this is a set of, let's check this out. 80 count of cups and 80 napkins. They're like party napkins, cocktail napkins, and little cocktail cups. And yeah, so these are the gold, rose gold color that I got. I got some regular gold too. So basically in this box you get 2 packages of these cups and a package of these napkins. There's 80 in here and 40 here, 40 here of these cups. I'm gonna open this and show you what I'm talking about. So let's open this from this side. This is what I like to do. I open it from the bottom, and that way there's no dust going into that first top cup. So these are the cups. They're very nice, even though they're a little wobbly. They're actually really nice cups that you can use for like a small gathering or a party. As you can see, the color is a little bit of a rose gold color. You can pour yourself a nice drink with some ice, some juice if you wanted to, and you get plenty of these cups in here in this package of 80. And then you have these napkins, and I'm gonna try to open it the right way, because there's always a right way to open napkins, and you kind of have to look at the side that is the folded one. So if you do that, you can always take out only one napkin at a time. And here we go. These are the napkins. They're not super thick, but they're perfect for a party. Some, like, if you can do this, so you can hold your drink or hold some snacks or appetizers. It's a, I don't know, it kind of looks like a gold, rose gold, but it's not like shiny rose gold, almost like a colored, but it still looks really good with the cups. It goes well together. So this is the set that I got from Amazon. If you're interested, I'm going to post a link underneath this video and you can check this out for yourself. This is the brand, because I forgot to show that to you. Brellavi. It is a premium quality, durable plastic cups, recyclable, complete set, perfect for any occasion. And so this set is from Amazon, like I said, and if you're interested, I'll post a link underneath this video and you can check these out for yourself. Thank you for watching my unboxing videos.